Sai, come on! Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to Stuttgart. The first Grand Galloping Gala Convention, GalaCon, is now officially opened, and to start everything, our con head, Sai, will say hello to you all, and yeah. Sai, come on!
Yeah. Greetings everybody! It's a pleasure to see you all here at our humble event, celebrating little talking horses. Well, maybe sounds silly, maybe not, but I know, if you ask me, there's nothing silly about gathering around here with friends, old and new, to enjoy something together. Here are Here are things, our little talking horses, and the next 2 days will allow you to appraise it to its fullest. So GalaCon is only a humble event, bound to have its ups and downs, but I personally couldn't think of a better place to earn our convention cutie marks. Here with you, in a circle of friends. So without a further ado, my team and I want to say, welcome to Stuttgart, welcome to GalaCon, have a nice weekend, have fun together, and make new friends. So...
So, now we come to the part which is important for you, for us. We are very grateful for having them here. So first of all, okay, we all know Miss Tara Strong is Twilightlicious, but hey, we have a person which is Twilight serious. A warm welcome to Julia Meinen, German voice actor of Twilight Sparkle.
Thank you, I'm very honored to be here, and I've never seen so many pony fans in one place. I'm very happy to be here. I'm excited for this convention, and so let's get the party started.
Also, we have a second voice actor here from the land of the do-it-yourself furniture with every one of us owns a voice. She done a lot of voices for My Little Pony, but every pony in this hall just knows her for one certain apple pie. A big warm welcome to the voice of Swedish Spitfire, Amelie Hayes.
You're looking so great and it's so nice. Oh, thank you. Tack så mycket. So it's very nice to be here. I got very surprised when I got the email a couple of months ago, and I'm very honored. So I'm looking forward to a really good and great Ponylicious weekend with you guys. Thank you.
Technique! Okay, everything fine now. Okay, as you see, we also had some little chaos at the beginning, but that's typical for a convention. If a convention is not haunted by Discord, or some changelings are between the audience, then something is wrong. And also, yes, if you look in your the con schedule, the con guide, you also know that we have also community guests which are working on their projects right now. So, in the second floor, you will meet Swibo at his Legends of Equestria booth, where you can playtest an early build of the game, Legends of Equestria, the MMORPG every pony waits for. Then we have in the dealer's room our con artist, Walter Gorba, who's selling his art and also doing some stuff for you if you ask him very nicely. Yes, and if you look at other works from Motorcore, you might know My Little Investigation, which had also a trailer lately. Yeah, then we have the one and only, the guy which nobody knows how he looks like because he has a paperback on his head, Mr. Poniator, who also done our very, very awesome commercial according to the YouTube downloads. Yes, and finally for the music you heard the mix. Oh, you might know him, Icky, Keep on Rockin' Boney, who's doing currently Operation Icky. Support him, buy the album Operation Icky if you want. It's a very good album, a very good mix. So we have all, so nothing can go wrong, and we can probably say, let's start the Grand Galloping Gala. What the hey? What the hey is happening over there? Yes.
I guess we forgot to introduce a very special sound pony, which is our mascot, Kani. So Kani also hopes you'll have a great time. Whenever you need something, talk to the staff or the volunteers. Have a great weekend, and Kani is making sure with her good name and her awesome looks that you'll have a great time.
Mike's on again, good. Even though the cable is trying to kill me, so between the Legends of Equestria presentation on here, the main stage, you have the opportunity to compete in a small competition called the Catch the Character competition. Around this convention, there are 4 cosplayers sitting, our Spike, our Pinkie Pie, our Kani, and our Rarity. So if you find them at the venue, you will get a stamp, and if you found all stamps, you get a little surprise from us if you are able to find all 4 of them before the Legends of Equestria panel starts. So, I have nothing more to add. Welcome to Stuttgart, welcome to GalaCon 2012, welcome and have a good time.
Ja.